friends, today we're going to make a corn on the cob in the husk. So you need your corn, your husk, some yellow tissue paper, your pencil box, you'll need your scissors, a glue stick, and you can use a crayon to write your name or anything you choose from your box. So for your scissors, you're going to have the small hole up, the larger hole down, thumb in the thumb hole, the rest below. If you can't cut it by yourself, that is fine. This is a fine motor skill that you're going to work on. Start cutting now and practice. If it doesn't come out perfect, that's okay. Just do your best work. And if mom or dad need to help you, that's okay too. You're going to hold it with one hand and you're going to cut thumb to the ceiling. Cut your open, close, open, close, all the way around. When you come to the edge, you're going to turn your paper, not your hand. Your hand's going to stay where it is, and you're going to watch the paper turn as you go around the corners. This is called tracking. So you're just going to keep cutting. Ooh, this also makes a cool sound. Let's listen. Cutting paper is also a very cool sound. So that's to the side. We're also going to cut our husk. The husk is the outside of the corn that grows over the corn, and when you go to eat it, you pull it away. This part you don't eat. Again, you're tracking, you're turning your paper. Your hand stays still. So you have to go back and forth. Turn. If you need to stop and cut a piece off, that is fine. Just try your very best. Okay, so now we have our two pieces. So we're going to glue one piece to the other piece. So you're going to put a little bit of glue down here. And we're going to count to 10 because then we know it sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, it's stuck. And you're going to get some of your tissue paper. And you can cut squares, or you can have help cutting. No problem. If you watch, I am turning my hand on this one, which you really shouldn't do, but that's okay. You're going to take your squares, and you can either crumple them up, or you can leave them flat. Your choice. We're going to put them on the corn. This is what one looks like crumpled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here's one that is flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can put as many as you want in here or as few as you want. You decide which way your corn would look best. But don't really eat it. That would be too silly. Enjoy, friends. Bye.